We are helping desperate parents of wild, sexually destructive teen girls. Now, she just sleeps with much older guys. She has sex in public places. And then when she's really in a good mood, when she really gets smart, she gets high, she gets drunk, and then steals her mother's car. Watch.
Shut up.
My name is Parentheses, and I'm 14 years old. Yeah, I had an abortion, but that ain't the first nigga I got rid of. This slide right here. This the first time I got fucked outside. But shit, he paid me. I used to work at Chicks on Dick Strip Club, but I got fired for sucking dick in a private. But shit, he paid me. This throat ain't for free. I gotta make my money, bitch. I even sucked my granddaddy dick. But shit, he paid me. Dick is dick. I've been to 420 fights. One time I beat this girl ass to slam, bless you. Bitch, I didn't need her blessing. Fuck her. When I grow up, I wanna be a nurse. But if that don't work out, I'ma just be a prostitute. In my spare time, I like to suck and fuck. But shit, why not get paid? This pussy ain't free. My mama think I need counseling, but I don't think I need a damn thing. Fuck you, Maury, and fuck my mama too. Get your ass up out of here. Get the fuck out.